Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Creative World. Today I'll show you making a 24 volt battery charger. To make this battery charger, we need 24 volt battery. But we don't have 24 volt battery. For that, we'll make a series connection between two 12 volt battery. And we also need 1 kilo ohm resistor on piece. On piece diode. Its value on N5408. 5 mm LED on piece. 24 by 24 volt transformer on piece. 5 ampere. This transformer have two sections, primary section and secondary section. Primary section is used to input voltage and secondary section is used to output voltage. The side have two cable, that is primary section, and the side have three cable, that is secondary section. This is a AC cable. Now we connect AC cable with primary section of transformer. While it is AC cable, for that we might use separator. Now we connect diode positive leg with capacitor positive leg. For power indicator, we connect a LED light. Connect LED positive leg with capacitor positive leg. Now we connect a resistor with LED negative leg and diode negative leg. Please review the circuit connection. This is the secondary section of transformer. Here you can see three cables. From left side, first on T1, middle cable T2 and right cable T3. If we connect T1 and T2, we will get 24 volt. If we use T2 and T3, we also get 24 volt. But if we use T1 and T3, then we get 48 volt. While it is a half wave power supply circuit, for that we need two cable. We use T1 and T2. Now we connect T1 cable with negative leg of diode. And now connect T2 cable with negative leg of capacitor. Our circuit connection is almost complete. You can review the circuit connection again. For output voltage, we connect this cable. Red cable for positive voltage and black cable for negative voltage. Now connect red cable with capacitor positive leg. And now connect black cable with capacitor negative leg. Now we check the battery voltage. We are using a DC meter to measure the voltage. We connected DC meter negative cable with negative leg of battery and we connect DC meter positive cable with positive leg of battery. You can see we got 12 volt out of 24 volt. Now we connect output positive cable with positive leg of battery. We connected. Now we connect output negative cable with negative leg of battery. Now we connect transformer primary section with AC line. We connected, our battery is now charging. You can see our power indicator LED light is glowing. That means our battery is now charging. Now we disconnect AC cable. We charge battery about 5 minutes. Now we disconnect charging cable from the battery. Again we measure the voltage of this battery. You can see we got 14.3 volt. Before charging the battery, we see there are 12 volt. This circuit will take a long time to charge your battery. Friends, you can make this charger circuit at home easily. So friends, if you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.